I go on and on. I've been an Eagles fan since the day I was born. Let's go. Saquon, the American dream. We got it in the bag since he on the team. Let's go. Let's hunt. Yo, Hurts play ball. They love to hate, but that's not okay, y'all. That's not okay. It's the return to Brandon Graham. I'm too lit. Three-peat. I bet them Chiefs ain't gonna do shit. We got AJ Devontae. All we do is win and score big when they play. Eagles. What's my favorite word? Eagles. What's my favorite bird?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making another game day appetizer. I'm going to be making cheeseburger skewers. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, pickles. I have 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, cherry tomatoes. I have iceberg lettuce, which I cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. First, you're going to get a baking sheet and we're going to line it with parchment paper and set it to the side. You can also set your oven to 450 degrees. Now we're going to add to our ground beef our onion powder, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, our garlic powder, ground black pepper, our breadcrumbs. You want to add in your egg, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and our yellow mustard. We're also going to add in our shredded cheddar cheese. You want to go ahead in and begin to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can begin to make your meatballs. Once you're done with your meatballs, you can place them into your oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, so our cheeseburger meatballs are now done. I'm going to let them sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, now you want to get your cherry tomatoes. I cut mine in half. I have my pickles and lettuce. So here I have some little plastic skewers. And I just place my tomato, my pickle, and my lettuce onto them. Then all you want to do is press them down into your meatball. Okay guys, so here we have it, our game day appetizer, cheeseburger skewers. You can also put whatever dipping sauce you would like on the side. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?